Terry bird, take 3.
Wow, the refrigerator's full.
Terry bird's on video. Hi, Terry bird. Hi, Terry bird. Here's Mama. Mama loves Terry bird. Daddy loves Terry bird. Here he goes. Okay. Aren't humans silly, Terry bird? Pretty Terry bird, pretty Terry bird. Wah, 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 wah.
Somebody's nuts.
Who's,
Right?
who is the looney bird here? Let's take a guess. I have a feeling it might not be you, Terry bird. You're a funny birdie. Pretty Terry bird, pretty Terry bird, pretty Terry bird, pretty Terry... Goose. I thought we had a parrot. I didn't know we had a goose. Oh my god. How about some ballerina bird? Ballerina bird? Ballerina bird. You're so cute. You are the cutest little thing, except for my husband, of course, that walked the earth.
How long can you take a video here?
Oh, I'm on YouTube. I'm recording now. I'm allowed 15 minutes. Oh, look at that. I'm giving me the butt. Oh, okay. I guess that's known as the end.